Hey, so what's up, good people? Welcome back to this new unboxing video. And as you can see here, I have the Vivo V23 5G. So Vivo is planning to launch this device in the local market, that is in Kenya, on the 21st of January. And they sent us this review on it, actually last week. And it's what we're gonna be unboxing in this video. As you can see, it's a 5G device, all splashed here, the V23 text, and of course the Vivo branding at the top of this box. Yeah, and Vivo, as I said, plans to launch this device in the Kenyan market on the 21st of January. And of course there are some specs highlighted here, some 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of internal storage. And of course the color option we have here is the Stardust, they call it the Stardust Black. There's also a gold option that it's quite interesting right here, but of course I'm going to be sharing more details later on in this video. But yeah, in the meantime, let's go ahead and unbox this device. So the first thing you get to see here, it's the Vivo V23 itself, right here. This color option looks pretty good. There is a transparent case right here as well. You have some user manuals here. There's the charging brick right here. 44 watts max. There you go. You have a pair of earphones right here. You have a SIM ejector pin right here. The USB Type-C right here. And yeah, so basically that's what you have having in this box. The usual accessories, so nothing really much here. Yeah, so that's this for the packaging. So let's just do the setup and show you what we're getting. And of course we have the camera setup right there, with the highlight being the 64 megapixels main camera. We have some Vivo branding right there at the bottom. Yeah, so let's do the setup and basically show you what else you're getting with this device.